If you need a capable all-around laptop that can brave the outdoors, look no further than the Latitude 5420 Rugged, starting at $1,359, reviewed at $3,547. With a bright 1080p display, a relatively slim chassis and a responsive touchpad, the Latitude 5420 addresses the biggest problems we've previously encountered with rugged laptops. And it does so without sacrificing durability or performance, thanks to its military-grade strength and capable Core i7 CPU. Better yet, the Latitude 5420 offers all-day battery life, despite sporting a chassis that's thinner than those of its rugged rivals. The Latitude 5420 Rugged is predictably expensive, but you can't put a price on a laptop that keeps your important data safe, even under the harshest conditions. The Latitude 5420 is a pricey machine, but its modular design lets you customize to your needs. The $2,317 base configuration has a 14-inch, non-touch display and comes with a Core i5-8350U CPU, 8GB of RAM, a 128GB SSD and integrated UHD 620 graphics. Our $3,547 review unit flaunts a $660 touchscreen and packs a Core i7-8650U CPU, 16GB of RAM, a 512GB SSD and an AMD Radeon RX 540 GPU. The model we tested also comes with some useful extras, including a secondary 51WH battery, a second Ethernet port, a display port and an IR camera. Maxing out the 14-inch, touchscreen Latitude 5420 with a Core i7-8650U CPU, 32GB of RAM, 2TB of SSD storage and AMD Radeon RX 540 graphics inflates the price to $5,627. But it doesn't stop there. You can then splurge on extras like LTE connectivity, plus $215, and a rubberized RGB backlit keyboard, plus $173.